Hello guys, welcome to another video on Cassy World YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about the best surveys to earn $20 per day at home. If you are still struggling to make money or you are just a beginner at making money online, make sure you join my free webinar as I give you the step-by-step guide to get started and make consistent passive income online. The link to join this free webinar is in the description box below. Click on it to join for free. And a quick advice, make sure you watch this video to the end to get the most value out of it. Let's start with today's video without wasting too much of your time. So these are the survey sites that helped me as a new student in London until I got a job and was more stable. They are listed from the top according to my personal choice. 1. Toluna Surveys. Toluna is a market research firm that focuses on personal opinions and online surveys. They gather opinions and information from people all over the world to help brands, businesses, and governments better understand what consumers want and need. Rewards include PayPal payments, Amazon gift cards, and vouchers for stores. Amount per survey is 1,200 to 50,000 points, which 80,000 points gets you a £15 voucher. Minimum amount of vouchers to be given away, 27,000, or just 500 if you want to enter prize draws. 2. Swag Bags Service. Swag Bags is an online research program that lets people earn points by taking surveys, looking at websites, and shopping at their favorite stores. Then, users can turn their points into prizes. The rewards are money, gift cards, and chances to win prizes. 30 to 150 Swag Bags points per survey. You get 30 to 150 swag bag points per survey. 100 swag bags is equal to $1 or 0.77 pounds. The least you can get is one swag bag. 3. Prize Rebel. What are they? Prize Rebel is a get-paid website that has a lot of surveys. PayPal cash or gift cards are the rewards. From 50 pennies to £20 per survey. The least you can win is £2. 4. Life Points. Rewards include PayPal payments, Amazon gift cards, and vouchers for stores. The cost of each survey is £1. At least 550 points, which is $5, are needed to get a reward. 5. One Poll. It is most well known for short, quick surveys on any subject. One Poll does surveys for the press and for big companies as well. You get cash or payments through PayPal, from 10 pennies to £1 per survey, and the minimum amount to get a reward is £40. 6. Inbox Pounds. This is a well-known community, which in the US is called Inbox Dollars. Pays you for things other than paid service. Money and coupons are the prices, and you get from 20 pennies to £1 per survey. Minimum amount to get a reward is £20. 7. Populous Live. What are they? They are the most popular survey sites in the UK, and their surveys cover everything from sports and shopping to politics and current events. The rewards are money. Price per survey is £2 to £3. At least 50 points, that is £50, are needed to get a reward. 8. Opinion Bureau. A survey site that isn't too old and has some interesting polls. The rewards are cash or coupons. You get from £1 to £10 per survey, and the least you can win is £10. 9. Prolific Academic. They give information to researchers and academics at many of the best universities and companies. The rewards are money, cost of Each survey is £1 to £10, and the minimum rewards is £20 and there is no fee. 10. Fairpection. Good money for interesting user testing in real time, and the payment is PayPal. You get £10 for each survey, and the minimum amount of reward is £20. Thanks for watching my video to this end. I hope you apply the tips in this video. You must take action to get results. And the secret to generating income online is in my free webinar. Make sure you join to learn all the techniques the gurus use to make consistent passive income online. It's available worldwide and beginner friendly. Just click on the link below this video in the description to join the webinar and learn these secret tricks. And don't forget to like this video, leave below all your feedback and suggestions. And if you are new to this channel, don't forget to also subscribe and turn on the notification bell to receive alerts anytime I drop one of my awesome videos. Make sure you watch the other videos on your screen right now. See you in the next video.